Today we will learn about the science of standard 8th. Topics covered in this video are health, what is disease, and types of diseases. Have you ever taken the leave from the school due to sickness? Most of the time answer is yes. All of us fell sick due to some reasons and we took leaves due to that sickness. Whenever we are sick, we are unhealthy. Most of the people think that absence of disease means good health, but they are wrong. How? Have a look at the definition of a health. As per the definition of a health, it is a state of a complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of any disease. It shows that our health is good when our physical health, social health, mental health is good, because physical health is related to our body, social health is related to our relation with other people, mental and emotional health is related to our mind, emotions and feelings. For example, if a person is under stress, then heartbeats of that person increases and he started feeling uneasy. It shows that physical health, mental health and social health are connected with each other. If a person is unhealthy, that means he is suffering from some diseases. Let's understand what is disease. Disease is a condition of disturbances in psychological and physiological processes of body. Disease means not at ease. That is, that person feels something is wrong and he cannot carry out daily routine with ease. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. Let's start with types of diseases. There are two types of diseases. First one, according to duration. Second one, according to reasons. Let's look at the first one, according to duration. They are of two types, chronic diseases and acute diseases. Second one, according to reasons. They are also of two types, hereditary diseases and acquired diseases. Acquired diseases are also of two types, infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. Let's start studying each one. According to duration. Duration means an amount of time or particular time interval. Some diseases occur for some duration. These diseases are grouped based on from onset of disease till time required to free from the said disease. That means they are present in our body for a particular time. It may be shorter or longer. And as per the duration, they are divided into two types, chronic diseases and acute diseases. First one, chronic diseases. A chronic disease is one that persists over a long time, usually at least 3 months. During that time, it may constantly present or it may go into remission and periodically relapse. It shows that chronic diseases enters in our body very slowly, shows symptoms very slowly, but remains for a longer time. And if we treat it, then it may get cured or it may reappear. Example, Alzheimer's disease and dementia, arthritis, asthma, cancer. Second, acute disease. An acute disease is one of the short-term nature. These diseases have sudden onset and also cured very fast. These diseases are exactly opposite to chronic diseases. Examples, burns, common cold, flu, typhoid. Let's go for the second major part, diseases according to reasons. These diseases are present due to some reasons. It may be at the time of a birth or after the birth. They are grouped into two types. One, hereditary disease. Second, acquired disease. First one, hereditary disease. A hereditary disease is a type of a genetic disease caused by genetic mutation that are hereditary. Means these diseases are present during the time of a birth due to genetic mutation and can run in families. Example: Down syndrome, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia. Acquired diseases. An acquired disease is one that begins at some point during one's life, as opposite to disease that was already present at birth. It simply means acquired sometimes after birth. Acquired diseases are opposite to the hereditary diseases. They are not present during the time of a birth. They are acquired after the birth. They are of two types. One, infectious disease. Second, non-infectious disease. Infectious disease. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vector. That means insects and other animals are called as infectious disease. Example: corona, flu, TB, hepatitis. In these days, we are suffering from corona. It is also an infectious disease. Non-infectious disease. Disease which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Such diseases arises in human body itself due to certain reasons. For example, diabetes, BP, cancer, etc. Thank you.